Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Spiritus, where we discuss the latest trends and technologies in the world of computer security. Today, we're going to talk about malware analysis, a critical aspect of computer security. Malware refers to any malicious software that is designed to harm or exploit computer systems. There are many different types of malware, such as viruses, worms, trojans, spyware, and ransomware. The malware analysis process typically involves multiple stages, including collecting and preparing the sample, dynamic analysis, static analysis, and reverse engineering. Dynamic analysis involves monitoring and analyzing the behavior of the malware as it runs on a system. It allows the analyst to observe the behavior of the malware in real time and understand its interactions with the system. Static analysis involves disassembling and decompiling the malware code to identify its behavior and functions. It provides a deeper understanding of the malware by examining its code and structure. Reverse engineering involves reverse assembling the malware code to understand its behavior and functions. There are many tools available for performing malware analysis, including debuggers, emulators, sandboxes, disassemblers, decompilers, and hex editors. These tools help the analyst to safely and effectively analyze malware samples. Malware analysis can be a complex and challenging task, and there are several obstacles that analysts face, including obfuscation techniques used by malware authors, the large volume of malware samples, and the difficulty in obtaining malware samples in the first place. Malware analysis is a critical aspect of computer security that helps to understand the threat posed by malware, and to develop countermeasures to prevent future attacks. It's a complex and challenging task, but with the right tools and techniques, it can be a valuable tool for improving the overall security of computer systems. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on computer security and technology. See you next time.